THC Hydra is one of the oldest password cracking tools developed by the hackers community by far. Hydra has the most protocol coverage than any other password cracking tool as per my knowledge. And it is available for almost all the modern operating systems. I use Hydra most of the time for my penetration tests. The only thing I do not use it for brute forcing authentication, because there are better tools for it, which we will discuss in the web hacking. For all GUI fans, there is a GUI version of Hydra, which is available by default in Kali Linux. All you need to do is to type X-Hydra from the command line to explore it. In this video, our goal is to explore the usage of Hydra and X-Hydra. As hacking without permission is illegal, I tried this on my Metasploitable server that installed in my VirtualBox. If you want to install it, watch this video by clicking the I button. If you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe it and click the bell icon to stay tuned with us. As you see, my Metasploitable server is active. To check the IP address by using the ifconfig command. To open it, go to Application, type Hydra, and hit Enter. Or you can run it using the command line by typing Hydra. As you see, it will open the terminal console. As you see, the help desk will open. Try all these flagged by your own side. There is an example at the end of the terminal. Now let's go for attack our Metasploitable server. In this case, we will brute force FTP service of the Metasploitable machine, which has IP 192.168.56.102. In this case, we will build two word lists. To create your word list, try Crunch or try Cup. There is two separate videos for this. To check the word list exists or not, use ls command. To attack, use following command. Hydra, -b. This is used to show login and password for each attempt. Space. -l. This is used to log in with username or load the login file. Paste here user path. -p is for the password. -t16 is used for task or number of attempts. Default is 16 or you can change it as your choice. Now the target IP. Now the brooding method. As you see, the password is successfully matched. You can try to log in with Telnet using this password. Now try to crack it using X-Hydra. Open it by searching it. Now type target. Choose the protocol. Check the show attempts. Click on the password tab. Here choose the word list from source. Set tuning. Now click on Start tab and click on Start. As you see, the password attempt started. Try all these by your own side. If you have any doubts and queries, write below in the comment section.